Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Princess Kawaii Kitten, and if you want to learn to be kawaii, this is part 2 of how to be kawaii. Or, yeah. So, what is if you want to? Or you're just watching this because you're bored. No, I'm kidding. But, yeah. And so I'm going to teach you how to be kawaii. So stick around and enjoy the video. 1. Wear cute makeup, such as Lime Crime, Jeffree Star Cosmetics, or Too Faced has some cute makeup options to make you look and feel kawaii. You don't have to wear makeup if you don't want to, though. You be you. Hi. 2. Wear cute jewelry, stuff that just is adorable, sparkly. I make some of my own pieces that I have here. 3. Carry cute purses. Cute purses such as this one I got from Dolls Kill, or this alpaca bag, and decorate them with cute charms like this My Little Pony. Deco-den things. I have this phone case deco-den. And most importantly, be yourself. Be you and take on the world. And don't care what others think. Yeah. I need some cat ears. Hold on. I got some right here. Okay. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please comment, like, and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Hit that subscribe button right there. Check out the other videos over here and over there. And I will see you all later for next week's video. Bye! Like I got cat ears on.